Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be making the famous viral TikTok that is going around right now. It is called Pancake cereal. If you guys don't know what that is, they're mini pancakes. I would say about like a quarter size in shape. They're just mini pancakes that I'm going to cook just like regular pancakes, and I put them in a bowl with syrup, and they're calling that pancake cereal. So obviously, you guys know me, I have to try everything out that I see that is new. This looks good, and anything mini is 10 times better in my opinion. I think anything mini is 10 times better, and it's cuter, so why not try to make it? You can make the pancake batter from scratch, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm taking the easy way out. It's the same exact thing. All I have is pancake mix right here, and all I have to do is add water, and I have a little squeeze bottle. If you don't have a squeeze bottle at your house, you can literally do it with a Ziploc bag. All you have to do is put the pancake mix in the Ziploc bag and cut a little hole in the Ziploc bag, and then you squeeze it out from there, and that's pretty much it. It works the same exact way. So if you don't have a squeeze bottle, don't waste money. If you have a Ziploc bag, that works as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys pretty much how to make the pancake cereal. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so what you're going to need to do first is get some pancake mix. You could take a spoon, whatever. Just going to grab some pancake mix, and I don't measure. You guys can measure if you want, but I kind of just eyeball everything. So I'm just gonna take however much I think I need. So I have this much pancake batter, and I'm just going to eyeball the water as well. I'm not gonna put too much, but I don't want it to be doughy like, so I'm just gonna eyeball it and see how much I need. So that's way too thick already. You can tell that it's like doughy almost, so you don't want that to be the consistency. You want it to be almost a little bit liquidy. So I'm just gonna keep adding water. And if you make it too liquidy as well, if you're adding too much water, you can always just put more pancake batter in to even it out and make it the consistency you want. But I think this is pretty good for me. So this is the consistency I'm looking for. It's a little bit thick, but it's not too thick, and it's still watery. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that into my squeeze bottle. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start by putting butter all around the pan because you don't want it to stick. I'm going to be using real butter because I don't have the spray butter. If you have the spray butter, you can do that as well. You want to make sure your pan is nice and hot, and I'm gonna spread it everywhere. And I'm also using an offset spatula because it's going to be easier to flip the pancakes since they're mini. So I'm just going to be using a little mini offset spatula. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the pancakes cook. When pancakes are ready to be flipped, they're going to be bubbling all around the top. So when the pancakes all have bubbles on them, then I'm gonna go ahead and flip it with my offset spatula, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And I'm also going to be putting it in a bowl because obviously it's pancake cereal. So it's gonna go in a bowl, and then when it's all ready, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So you guys are just gonna go ahead and repeat the process with all the mini pancakes and put it in a bowl when you guys are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the pancake batter mix, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after. Okay guys, so this is what the pancake cereal came out to look like. It's so cute. So just so you guys know, you can make these pancakes however you want. I just decided to make mine plain today and put butter and syrup on it. But if you want, you can make funfetti pancakes. All you have to do is add some sprinkles. You can make cinnamon pancakes, add cinnamon. You can make banana pancakes, chop up bananas really small. Chocolate chip, chop up mini chocolate chips small. And it's to your liking. So today I just decided to do some butter with some syrup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I finish it off and give it the final touch. Okay, so I'm just going to put the last piece of butter on top. And then I'm just going to put some syrup on it. That's how you make pancake cereal. So this is what it looks like with some butter and syrup. So good. I'm gonna try it. It's so good. It literally tastes like pancakes, and they're mini, so how cute is that? Alright guys, so this is the end of my pancake cereal. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you guys want to see from me. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Get me to 200 subscribers, guys. I'm almost there. Yeah guys, that's about it. So thanks for watching.